Hey, this is Andrew Brown from ExamPro, and we're looking at the types of cloud computing and responsibilities. So we saw the three categories, but we don't really understand what it is that we're responsible for and what is the cloud service provider responsible for. So let's lay out our categories, and we're going to include on-premises into this because technically on-premises could be a private cloud and should be in the category here. So we have on-premises, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So when we're looking at applications, it's going to be the customer's responsibility for on-prem, infrastructure as a service, and PaaS. But when we have software as a service, the cloud service provider is responsible for that. When we are looking at the data level, it's going to be the same for software as a service. The cloud service provider is going to be responsible, but for the rest, it's going to be the customer. And then on the next level for the runtime, the cloud service provider will be responsible for the platform as a service and software as a service. The customer will be responsible for on-premises and infrastructure as a service. For middleware, it's going to be the same. For the OS, like the operating system that is running on the service, it's going to be the same. Then we get to virtualization. The cloud service provider is responsible for the virtualization for infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So everything except for on-prem. Then for servers, it's the same. For storage, it's the same. And for networking, it's also the same. So you can see that on premises, you're responsible for everything. And the farther we move up the types of cloud computing, the less responsibility you have.